Hello. Many of us ask, what are GMOs? Well, according to Julia M. Diaz from Britannica 41020, she states GMOs is an organism whose DNA has been modified in the laboratory in order to favor the expression of desired physiology traits or production of desired biological products. Many have mixed emotions on GMOs being bad or good. But my stance on this is GMOs are good and adaptable to our consuming. According to an interview in Scientific America with Robert Goldberg, a plant molecular biologist at UCLA 42318, he quotes, "Hundreds of millions of genetic experiments involving every type of organism on Earth and people eating billions of meals without a problem." Now, I will be discussing some problems, causes, and solutions to this topic of GMOs. Problems/concerns. To start off with, there are some biological concerns when speaking about GMOs. According to Forbes, Eric Solomon, 2/15/2019, he states most GMO plants produced and consumed in the US are these that allow resistance to specific herbicide, most Roundups. Roundups, soil effects is bad as plants may not allow necessary micronutrients to be absorbed by animals consuming, then which plants a part of die off of bees. Another comment for GMOs is stated by Colin O'Neill, Agriculture Policy Director, quotes 1/30/2019, glyphosate is a probable cause of human carcinogen. An explosive to glyphosate is likely to cause cancer in humans. As there are cons to this topic, there is also pros to this topic. Here are some solutions. Moving on, GMOs can also be a pro factor. According to Dr. Sarah Eugenia, 8/15/2018, she states GMOs can lessen environmental impact of agriculture in general. For example, genetic engineering is a tool that can help breed crops that resist drought, diseases, and insects, pests, which means farmers achieve higher yield from crops they grow to free their families and generate extra income. Another reason why GMOs can be good is, according to Ryan Roman, pros and cons featured by evidence of GMOs 7/20/20, he states GMOs can increase nutritional value of foods. For example, rich high in beta carcinogen, also known as golden rice, was developed to help prevent blindness in regions where local diets are chronically deficient in vitamin A. Another example is stated by Michael Steffens of GMOs benefits for environment 4/22/19, stating in 2016 alone, GMO crops helped decrease CO2 emissions equivalent to taking 16.7 million cars off the road for an entire year. This is an amazing to take in consideration, as the approach to GMOs helps the environment out as well. In conclusion, the reason why people have mixed emotions on GMOs is because people are not educated enough with the information of knowing exactly what GMOs are. For example, Jonathan McPheeters from Are You Scared of GMOs Foods 4/31/19 stated that in a recent study, to change people's attitudes about GMO foods by teaching them the basic scientific behind it is allowed people to change their understanding of GMOs by explaining the science of it and not just the pros and the cons. And little at the end, he found the study of people were more positive towards GMOs foods overall. So to wrap things up, if we were all knowledgeable about GMOs, we can find that GMOs is a great way to look into the future to help us more towards a positive and green, healthy environment.